What's a simple 5-minute routine that separates your top performers from everyone?
Okay, now this one has many answers for many different subjects also. Okay, see, some people they like this idea called mind map, which is not a bad idea. I honestly think it's not a bad idea, but I believe that mind map should be coming from the students. So the students should come up with their own mind map and then they check with me, see whether they're missing something. It doesn't make sense for me to be drawing my mind map and then ask them to copy because they won't be thinking like me, right? And I'm just making them to memorize one more thing. So I think mind map, I mean, I can be guiding them, like how to map this to another thing. Yeah, but I think mind map. But then again, mind map is not the super bullet here. But that's just one of the factors that I think we can. Because in math, we're talking about connections from Sec 1 all the way to Sec 4. And if you're talking about A level, it's all the way from Sec 1 all the way to A level. It's a total 6 years of math. And if you want to drag in even further, you can even go all the way to primary school math. So your map has to be super big, which doesn't make sense. So at some point, my map will not work for some topic. So then, of course, if you ask me, then that will be, I would say, a routine of consolidating your learning by writing your own notes is a good start. Yeah, writing your own notes like what you learned today, what you learned in this chapter. Practice a lot because math, after all, is not like a humanities subjects that you memorize by copying the passage 10 times or whatever. So you don't really study the same way. So I would say if it's a tip for the parents or students who are listening to this, that'll be this. After you learn the chapter, you practice, review questions. Just keep doing whether you get access assessment book to do the same topic all on your own, or you get your teachers to give you worksheets to do. Just practice to make sure that you really can I wouldn't say regurgitate, but reproduce the solution about on a different question, and then by yourself. That's the main thing, by yourself. And if you get it wrong, must make sure you find out what you meant, and then you make a mark. You make a note. Don't just throw this away. File them all together. When the exam comes, you look through it. That is like your cheat code, because that is when you shortcut your revision, because you actually revised already and you know you made a mistake last time and you know what went wrong. That sort of shortcut your revision faster.
That's a good tip.